Okay, hey, look at this. So this is a the die. These are cutting dies, and these ones are NPT threads. NPT is a national pipe thread, and I've got all the different sizes. This one here says a 1/4 inch. Right, 1/4. It's got some rust on it. Sorry. 1/8. This one's 3/8. And that's a 1/2. We use a 1/2 a lot. And this one is a 1 inch. And the one that's in here, good look at it here. That's a 3/4. So the pipe that's coming out here is, I think, a 3/4 inch. Now when you're using these, there is a direction, and we can see with the angles here that this is a tapered thread. And a tapered thread is what makes this a watertight thread, because as you tighten it up, you deform the threads enough that it will create a seal. Don't ask me how it works. Just know it works. It works pretty darn good. So this is the lead in here, and I've got the right bushing in it, because there's bushings that came with this set as well, and all the different size bushings. Right. So we got a 3/4 on there. I put a handle on there, and the handle is important as well, because you have to be able to turn it. Wow, did I mess up? You're supposed to be putting it on the pipe this way, but because the pipe is so far in, I won't be able to do that. So I'm going to have to really carefully flip the die around. And hope that I can thread it on straight. Very careful. This is going to be a So, that's a side note here. As you're tightening this thread, keep tightening, back off, tighten a bit more, back off, so that you make clean breaks on the thread. Otherwise, if you don't break that thread, you're gonna cause a big mess. Thinking that every now and then you can apply some oil to it, but when you're going by hand, it's not so bad. You can feel it. So I'm going to keep watching this until I can see the pipe come through the die. Because once it comes through the die, threading it anymore isn't going to accomplish anything. Once you've satisfied the length of the taper, then there's no need to go any further. Okay, you can see here the pipe has extended the taper. So this is as far as we can go. If you're going any more, you're going to create more havoc, because the fitting, when you screw it on, is going to bottom out without sealing, and you want the threads to seal. We're going to wipe off these threads. Make sure everything's okay. Yeah, it seems alright. I'm going to find out when we take that up. If you like pipe dope, you can use pipe dope. I don't like pipe dope, so I rarely use it. I like the tape instead. Okay. There we go. First piece. I think I'm going to leave it like that.